Wanna know how to change your date format in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, changing date format on your created website is super simple. So first things first, make sure you're under WordPress.com and under the WP admin. We have also created a video on how to make it and how to get into it. So make sure to watch it. Now, once you have done that, here you should be welcomed with this dashboard right here. So on the left menu, just scroll all the way down until you see settings. Now make sure you're under general settings as well. Now once you're under general settings, here just simply scroll down until you see your date format right here. So you can also customize your date format as anything that you like and change it accordingly by just simply selecting this checkbox right here. And that's it. Once you're done, just simply select save changes and you should be good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.